In this video, you will see how to split cell in LibreOffice Writer. If you have a merged cell like this or you want to split a cell, then what you need to do is first click inside the cell, then right click. You will see the option of split cells. This will allow us to split the cells. After clicking on it, you will see the split cell dialog box. Under the split, select the number of cells you want, for example 2, and here you can select you want horizontal or vertical. I am selecting here horizontal and then click on OK. As you can see, the cell has now split to two equal parts. You can also right click on the cell, then go to the split cell option, and this time we will select here vertical, and let's say here we will select 3 cells, and after clicking on OK, as you can see, the 3 cells have been created. In this way you can easily split cells in a table in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.